Inspiring your child to embrace brain teasers and games will ultimately improve their learning, concentration and memory, helping them build the foundations of problem-solving and critical thinking for future learning. After hours of research and after taking an expert advice, we have included a link in the comment box for each product mentioned. So make sure you check out to see which is your budget range. Number 1, Butterfly Edufield's 4-in-1 Robot Toys for Kids STEM Electronics and Robotics Construction Kit. 4 different kinds of robots in one kit. This STEM toy kit comes with all of the parts you need to build automatic bubble maker machine, ball shooter, drawing robot, and funny reptile robot. This DIY project is great gift for boys and girls age 6 to 12 years old. Science behind bubbles. This bubble gun can produce more than 500 bubbles per minute, making children fall in love with the colorful bubble world. Bubbles take kids to their land of imagination. Bubbles' sudden appearance and vanishing generates excitement among children. Number 2, Lego Marvel Superheroes 76042. The SHIELD. Build the ultimate collector's vehicle from the Marvel Superheroes universe. The gigantic SHIELD helicarrier is featured in the Marvel's Avengers movie. 3 fighter jets, gasoline truck, 2 forklift trucks, 2 runways for road blockades, armored exterior with translucent elements, detailed interior, 12 decorated microfigures, and collector info plaque. Add lights and spinning rotors to the helicarrier with the 88,000, 8883, and 8870 LEGO Power Function sets, sold separately. Number 3, PlayShareFu Interactive STEM Toys. PlayShareFu turns your tablet into an interactive board game, based on physics of light. Solve thrilling mysteries by lighting up the clues. Strategically choose your figurine to cross the obstacles. Use flashlight and mirror figurines on screen to light up the target. Split light into 7 colors with the Prism figurine and use a color to solve puzzles. STEM learning just got super fun with brain teasing and story-based logic games. Boost problem-solving skills and develop logical reasoning and critical thinking with creative play. Turn your tablet into an interactive board game. Use tactile figurines to drive the games on screen. 2 frames and 4 game pieces, 1 mirror figurine, 1 Prism figurine, and many more things. Number 4, Magnet Toys for 3-year-old boys. Package includes 52 magnetic blocks, an idea booklet, and a storage bag. Small castle kit for beginners who want to have a try for the first time or just as a refill pack for existing magnet tiles kit. More pieces, more possibilities. High-quality ABS plastic, geomagnetic material, round-edge geometry shapes without sharpness, no harm to skin and no swallow mistake. Just feel free to challenge. Great Montessori toy gift for toddlers. 3-plus-year-old boys and girls take them out and then she will pick an STEM activity to do for hours. Number 5, Slime Kit for Girls. Toys Party Favors. The ultimate Christmas gift for kids and tween girls. Gift, Slime Party Favor, slime making kit with add-ins galore and enough slimy stuff to keep girls, boys, and kids glued to the activity for hours. Slime Kit for Girls, Slime Kits for Boys, Slime for Kids comes with over 50 different slime supplies all in one box. 18 beautifully wacky colors of crystal slime ranging from clear slime to purple slime, 12 types of glitter, various foam beads, fishbowl beads, and more made with eco-friendly material. Our slime and slime containers are washable, reusable, safe, and do not contain borax powder. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and like our video.